The Italian premium mid-size motorcycle brand makes its debut in Brazil and at the festival Interlagos. So you'll find out everything about the models coming to Brazil, including prices and also the models that will arrive in the future. I'm Amanda Pagliari, and this is the most charming motorcycle channel in Brazil. So sit down, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. By the way, the Canal Moto Play is competing for the best award. I really count on your help to reach the finals of the award. As the only 100% motorcycle creator channel in the top 20, I really count on your help. To vote, just click the link or point your phone's camera at the QR code. Well guys, we have 3 families here at the stand. I'll start with the X-Cape. It's very beautiful. In my opinion, this one is my favorite, which is the gold edition because it comes with golden wheels. In 1937 in the province of Bologna, Moto Morini is present in several countries, and since 2018 it has Chinese investment and keeps its factory in China. And now, in 2025 it arrives in Brazil, with a factory in Manaus. All models are full LED and feature an excellent finish. The engine is the 650 from Kawasaki, which we already know, and it's shared with all 3 families. The X-Cape 650 is the brand's best-selling model. It's a crossover with a 649cc twin-cylinder engine, 60 horsepower, and 6 kg-meters of torque. And the highlights are the Brembo brakes, Marzocchi inverted suspension, and the 7-inch TFT display. There are 3 versions available, all with wheels, 19 inches in the front and 17 inches in the rear. In the alloy version with alloy wheels, it costs 47,999 reais. The spoke version with spoked wheels and tubeless tires costs RM 49,990. And finally, the gold edition is priced at RM 51,990. The C-Medium comes in 2 versions, the Street and the Scrambler. The Street version features an urban and sporty design, while the Scrambler goes for a more off-road look, with a higher handlebar and dual sport tires. Both come with a 649cc engine, 60 horsepower, and 6 kg-meters of torque, 18-inch wheels in the front and 17 in the rear, both with tubeless tires. In addition, the suspensions are inverted Caiaba, it has a color TFT display, and Brembo brakes. The Street has a suggested price without shipping of 45,990 reais, and the Scrambler RM 47,990 without shipping. The Calibri 700 also comes in 2 versions, with a 693cc twin-cylinder engine, 70 horsepower, and 7 kg-meters of torque. Both feature inverted front suspension and Bosch ABS braking system. The Colt Custom version keeps the classic cruiser look, with a low seat, wide handlebars, and a minimalist design. And it has a suggested price without shipping of 46,990 reais. The Calibri Bagger comes equipped with integrated side bags and a tall windshield, designed for long trips. And it has a suggested price of 50,990 reais. I think it looks really stylish. A reliable engine that lasts for many years, even in the Brazilian market. But now let's test this machine on the Interlagos track. Let's go, guys. Wow. I was really excited to test this motorcycle. Oh my God, how light. Wow, oh my God, what torque. Guys, you're going to see Amandinha's hype. I was already hyped about this motorcycle. Listen to its roar, how nice. Wow. Wow, what a nice little roar. I'm not even going to lean too much to scrape the foot peg here. Let me see. Yeah, you have to be careful, right? Down here, the revs, same thing. I'm pulling, it vibrates a little on the foot peg. Look, but it has power. Wow. Man, what a cool bike. Brazil deserves new brands, new models, a comfortable bike with this seat right here. Wow, guys, I think you can tell by my voice how excited I am. I'm really moved to be able to share this with you firsthand. Oh, wow, it's scraped. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, we got scared. Here, when the foot peg scrapes, you can't lean the bike too much. That's just how it is with a cruiser, right? You can lean it to take a turn, it leans well, but I was afraid of scraping the foot peg again. Wow, guys, what an awesome bike. Wow, I'm even emotional. Guys, Brazil deserves it. Brazil deserves new models, new options. What did you think of the price? Oh, darn, I was going to take another big lap. I couldn't, but that's okay. Otherwise, there wouldn't be enough time. But wow, guys, I got really excited. Just one lap, that's fine, that's fine. And then I could already feel that this engine really is amazing. There will be a full review with the pros and cons. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm amazed by this engine. Visually, it's huge, but when you're riding it, it feels like a 400, you know? It's amazing that the brand is really here to stay. And to talk with us, I brought the General Director of Moto Morini, Guinda, who will tell us more. He will talk about the operations and also what Moto Morini expects for the future here in Brazil. Is it really here to stay?
Thanks, Amanda, for the invitation and letting me speak. It's very simple here. Moto Morini since 1937, bringing excitement, design, luxury, and performance to motorcyclists all over the world. Since 2017, it has been going through a major global expansion. I think it's a good opportunity, an opportunity really. There are already more than 55 countries in South America, Uruguay, Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Venezuela, entering Peru, Colombia, and now also Brazil. Because it's a very important country, a country with a very representative two-wheel market, and it makes perfect sense for the Moto Morini family.
It will be produced in Manaus, which is important for pricing. The prices seem competitive, but could you clarify? Is the factory owned or part of a partnership? What is the annual capacity?
That's a good question. Everyone is asking it, wants to know, and it's very relevant and important. Today, Moto Morini is assembling its motorcycles in the Manaus Free Trade Zone. It's the way a brand that wants to do a long-term project has to enter this market. There's no point in bringing in imported motorcycles. There's no point in bringing them in under the CBU concept because the way to maintain longevity, competitiveness, the right price, and the brand's endurance in the country is by doing. So the assembly here is already starting. All these motorcycles that you see here at the stand are already assembled in the Manaus Free Trade Zone by our strategic partner, DBS Group. We have a dedicated assembly line with a dedicated team and dedicated machinery. And day after day, it is evolving, bringing more technology and more quality control to deliver the best to the Brazilian market.
Our first batch has already sold out. It was a success. And the next batch, when will it arrive?
This is a very important point. The first store, which is the Santo André operation, opens on July 4th. So everyone in this first pre-reservation batch will start receiving their bikes from July 4th onwards, and we will already have new bikes available, ready for immediate delivery. So the customer can go visit the Santo André operation. They will already be able to receive their bike, their pre-reservation, or if they want a new bike, there will already be availability to make their purchase and take it home. It's important, Amanda, for the public to know. Santo Andre, July 4th by mid-August, Sao Paulo, the capital, and by the end of September, beginning of October, Curitiba, Florianopolis, and Porto Alegre. There will be 5 stores by the beginning of October 2025, and by March 2026, it expands to 5 more locations: Rio de Janeiro, Belo Horizonte, Brasilia, Goiânia, and Campinas, closing the first quarter of 2026 with 10 locations.
To finish, can you tell us a little about when the 1200 and the 450 will arrive?
Perfect, right? These are extremely high quality motorcycles, and we brought them here to the Interlagos Festival with the goal of showing the Brazilian people, the market, that this is not a short term or initial project. Down here is the present, and up here on our podium is the future. The Ultrek 450, a twin cylinder with 45 horsepower, arrives in Brazil starting in February, along with the X-Cape 1200, a V2 short-stroke twin cylinder with 127 horsepower, which will also arrive in February 2026 at all locations. You can count on it. Come and be part of the Morini family. And
here at the booth, they also took the opportunity to give us a sneak peek of the boutique. I was really excited. I really liked what I saw here in terms of clothing. Let's wait for the opening of the dealerships so we can see up close everything that Morini Motorcycles will bring, not just the bikes, but also the clothing and accessories. And of course, I hope it works out in Brazil, because after all, the more brands available to us consumers, the better. If you liked the video, leave a like and share it with your friends in your WhatsApp and Facebook groups. I'm sure they'll enjoy getting to know this new brand, and as soon as I try them out or when there are new releases, you'll be the first to know. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Oh, and this video is part of a series I'm making directly from the Interlagos Festival. So just click the link here or on the card to watch the playlist. And don't forget to vote for Mandinha at iBest. Please help me get to the finals. I'm counting on your vote. See you next time. Kisses.